Excellent.
Citizens of the Republic of Germany, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, hamjambo. Guten Abend. I bring you warm greetings from the people of Kenya, with whom the German people have had continuous relationship for close to 180 years, where our two nations have enjoyed diplomatic ties. Dr. John Ludwig Graf and the Reverend Johannes Rebmann were the first Europeans to explore Kenya's deep interior and experience the splendor of Africa's second highest peak, the majestic snow-capped Mount Kenya. Since then, we have never looked back, and the people of Kenya and Germany have done much and achieved a lot together. Allow me to say that Germany became the first country in the world to recognize Kenya's independence, for which we are grateful. Today, again, Germany is making another historic feat, that Kenya becomes the first country outside Europe, first non-European country to be invited as the partner country in the Citizens Festival here in Germany, for which again we are grateful. It is therefore a delightful privilege to be with you today as we celebrate values which define people, culture, the spirit of volunteerism and community at this annual Citizens Festival. I thank the people and government of Germany, the President and the First Lady, for inviting us to be part of this festival and for welcoming us so warmly and for making it possible for Kenya to participate in this year as profile partner country. We are honored by this acknowledgement of deep and strong bonds and our shared recognition that culture is a powerful means of promoting unity among diverse people. Both Kenya and Germany are incredibly diverse nations, which from the earliest days recognized the imperative of national unity that transcends differences and harnesses diversity to generate the driving force of progress in every field of national endeavor. Our partnerships across numerous sectors testify to the power of culture in defining a people's development trajectory and the first opportunities that are created through partnership, collaboration, and cooperation. This is why pamoja, together, is such a potent expression when applied to human endeavor. Everything in the world becomes easier in direct proportion to the degree in which we do it together. Dr. Kraft wrote the first German Kiswahili dictionary. In Kiswahili, together is pamoja. I thank you for the inspired theme of this year's festival, which clearly describes its essence in terms of the shared values that bind our nations and peoples, and which our global community needs now more than ever. Pamoja, stronger together, invites us to appreciate the power, richness, and possibilities which diversity brings to the table, and reminds us that in the age of globalization, the ability to embrace our differences increasingly determines our capacity to grow, compete, and succeed. Kenya, like Germany, is enriched by its diversity. This year's event coincides with the 60th anniversary of Kenya-German diplomatic relations, which have laid the firm foundation for us to anchor our enduring friendship, which, as I have pointed out, goes back close to 180 years. We are delighted to have this opportunity here at Bellevue Palace of showcasing our culture, whose diversity has been the foundation of our nation's resilience, innovativeness, and dynamism. Kenya is a land of extraordinary cultural richness, a tapestry woven from the unique threads from over 40 distinct ethnic communities which live in harmony in a land of equally breathtaking geographical diversity. If you travel across 800 kilometers across Kenya, from the west to the east, you will see Africa's largest and the world's second largest freshwater lake in Lake Victoria, and its beautiful catchment basin ascend the western escarpments of the Great Rift Valley. Witness the magical sights of Rift Valley with its lakes and volcanic mountains. As you ascend in eastern escarpment, you will be privileged to behold Mount Kenya in its towering majesty. Before descending through Kenya's baobab-strewn eastern plains, the Nyika or plateau, to the sandy beaches of our Indian Ocean. On this journey, you will experience equally spectacular variety of natural fauna and flora. And if you venture northwards, you will find the Jalbi Desert, the surrounding arid and semi-arid rangelands, while venturing southwards will take you to the grasslands of the Savo and the Mara, which teem with very big game. Through tolerant, harmonious interaction, every community contributes to the strength of our national unity. Through unique tradition, language, and customs, creating the vibrant mosaic that defines our national identity. From the Maasai warriors of the savannah to the Swahili, our diversity literally represents our collective strength as a nation.